In today's show, we journey to the John Austin All-Age School in the hills of Clarendon to observe just how Career Day helps to make our children and young people career ready.
Career Day is the day that we say to our schools that they should introduce their students to various careers. What we want is for practitioners to come into the schools to really introduce to the students what it takes to get into the field of study, and when they're in the field of study, what it takes to stay there.
Any profession you want to go into, be it nursing, be it catering, be it medicine, be it the field of the constabulary or whatever, you must be determined. You must have a focus. Listen to your teachers in the class. Listen to what they teach you. And if you don't understand, ask questions.
You have to study. You have to study really hard. It's not the brightest person that becomes the best doctor. You know. It's the one that actually goes home, reads every day, gets more acquainted with knowledge, that becomes the better doctor.
Do the most important things first. So for instance, I have to eat, and I have to write a story, and I have to go outside and play. Which one am I gonna do first? Write a story. Some persons might say they will eat first. But which one are you gonna do last though? Play.
I believe the children are.
We want to ensure that our children are exposed to the many different skills and occupations that there are, so that when they get older they can make informed decisions.
They will know what they want and they will do the necessary preparation.
It helps the students to focus, it helps them to be what they want to become, it encourages them, and it motivates them.
They will find it exciting to learn more about the profession they are interested in.
While students of the John Austin All-Age School receive knowledge on various careers, Grade 2 students of the Immaculate Conception Preparatory School received first-hand experience during a tour of our GIS television department.
I just thought it was so amazing to watch them and to see their little minds just grasp everything. I think it is an experience they will carry with them for the rest of their lives, because it is probably the first and maybe the only opportunity they will ever have to view something like this.
So it's very good from very early to teach them the different occupations and professions that they can go into.
It involves acknowledging that there are different opportunities that are available. Opportunities that were not available 10 years ago are not available to our children currently. I think that tours are very, very important, and the more companies that will open up their doors to these sorts of tours, to students coming to see what happens on a day-to-day, I think it will augur well for us, ensuring that more of our young people have diverse professions.
I do hope you were jotting down those important career tips. I'll leave this quote with you. Have a vision of life that inspires you. Then try every day to grow closer to the fulfillment of that vision. All the best.